Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 4. Nesteas ergestumque vocat fortemque serestum clas saptent, taciti socios quad lito recugant arma parent et quae rebus sit causa noandis dissimulent. He calls Mnestheus and Sergestus and brave Serestus to prepare the fleet silently and to collect their allies at the shores, and to prepare their weapons, and to conceal what the cause is for renewing things. Now this, I added in the brackets here, they're not in the original text, because I wanted to really make it obvious that this is an indirect question. They conceal what the cause is for renewing things. So the sit, the reason that is subjunctive is because it is an indirect question. So up here, right at the beginning, we have this verb vocat. The unspoken subject is Aeneas, and it carries the force of an indirect command here and thereafter in this section. Because we have vocat, and then we have present active subjunctive, present active subjunctive, present active subjunctive, present active subjunctive. So it's like Aeneas calls these three leaders to do this, to do this, to do this, to do this. Now, so he's telling them to do these things taciti, silently, and he wants them to dissimulent, to hide, to conceal what the cause is. So Aeneas is having them do all this in secret, clearly. He doesn't want Dido to hear of their departure before Aeneas has a chance to tell her about it first. And he doesn't want to waste any time. That warning from Mercury was very scary to him, and he wants to leave right away. So down here we have noandis, so that's something to look at, gerund or gerundive. Think about it for a second, pause the video and come up with your own guess. The answer is gerundive. Now the reason that this is a gerundive is because a gerund is a verbal noun, whereas a gerundive is a verbal adjective. So this is acting as a verbal adjective here. Noandis rebus, it's agreeing with rebus. It's acting as a verbal adjective with rebus. So you could translate it literally and it would be what the cause is for things to be renewed.